Friends, this is Pavani. Welcome to my channel, The Techie Fest. In the last classes, we have seen about the Bootstrap and we also discussed about the layout in the Bootstrap and in how many methods we can install Bootstrap. Those are Flexbox and CSS Grid, and we also discussed about the Flexbox method, and we also learned some of the Flexbox properties also. Those are Flexbox container, Flex direction, and Justify content also. By using this Flexbox, we moved the card in our web page to the bottom or center, or we can align it at the place where we want. In today's session, I will explain how to create a web page like this by using the concept we have learned in the previous classes. If anyone doesn't watch my previous videos, please go through them and I will provide the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. Look at this. I have added a background image. Okay, for this I created a div container and I created a CSS property happy food hyphen image. This is my CSS property name, and I gave background image, okay, property, and I gave the property value URL as the value, okay, and I gave height as 100 VH and width as 100 VW and background size cover. We also discussed why we need to use cover and what is VH in the previous videos. Okay, this is the code for getting the background image, and there is a card with some background color and with the text happy meals heading, and some paragraph discover the best foods over the 1000 restaurants, and there is a button. For this, first we need to add heading, paragraph and button. Look at this. I have added a heading with h1 tag, okay, with happy meals as the text, and I added a paragraph with p tag discover the best food over the 1000, and a button book now with the text, and I want some CSS properties for this. In them, for heading I gave some CSS properties, and for button I gave some CSS properties, and for paragraph I gave some CSS properties we have learnt. For okay, here I made a card I made a CSS rule set for the card, and that in those I have written background color, that is the color, this is this color, okay, the color of the card, okay, that is some hexadecimal code. I got it from the color picker from Google, and I gave the color of the text, okay. You can clearly observe that there is a color for paragraph and the heading, okay. For this I used color property, and I used font hyphen family Roboto, and I gave radius, and I used border hyphen top hyphen right radius. You can observe this here. There is a curvature at the top right and top left. For those I used border properties, and I gave font size as 15 pixels, and I used 24 pixels as the padding for the text. That's why the text came in between the card, okay. For the button I have a, and for a heading I gave the font family Bree Serif, okay. This is the font family for Bree Serif, and for paragraph I gave Roboto. You have also we have already discussed, and font size 25 pixels for heading, and I gave some CSS properties for button. I gave background color, this is the background color, okay, white. This is the code for the hexadecimal code for that color, and I gave border radius as 10 pixels and height 35 pixels, width is 120 pixels, and I gave font size 12 pixels, and font weight is bold, okay. This is the output for the code, and I connected this to the HTML page by using the class attribute class equal to happy food hyphen image. This connects the background with the background image with the HTML, and and I connected the card with the happy class attribute class happy food hyphen card, and for heading I used h as the property name, and I connected it, and for button as the property name, and I connected. Here you can see that in the background container for the background container, first I to move the card to the bottom, I used flexbox properties. Those are deflex, flex column, justify hyphen content and end. Deflex converts the background container into the flexbox container, and flex hyphen colon defines the direction of the card, that is in column, according to the column we need to change. And I gave justify hyphen content hyphen end. This will place the card at the bottom of the page. This is the code for this. Okay, this is the my first static website. In next video we will learn some other, to create another website, and in my future videos we will learn how to connect first one with the second one, like that. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if anyone doesn't have any doubts, please comment me. Okay, thank you.